Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Sunday. Today is July the 13th. Yes, I am working on a Sunday. I rarely work on Sundays, but guys, it is so busy. Um, the client, this is Mr. Mike. Mike found me on Google, watched my videos, and I came out here 3 days ago when we was doing a job like a mile away from here. And he wants to surprise his wife. She's out of town right now, so he wanted to surprise her with some fresh wood floors. So what we're doing today, screen recoat with UV cure. One of my students, George, he's coming here to assist me because Tavares had something to do today. My job I did yesterday, the Becks, Mr. and Mrs. Beck, she called me this morning and said, Courtney, the floors look amazing. Thank you again. I'm going to be writing you a review on Google. So anyway, guys, let's flip this around and show you what we got going on this beautiful day today. All right, guys, so I am in Decatur, Georgia, right off of La Vista Road. More, I call it Tucker, but it's Decatur. And let me show you guys what we're doing. So got a little bit over 500 square feet plus the stairs. Going to be doing the stairs. Shout out to Christian. Christian is the recommended mover that I recommend to my clients. They came out this morning and moved the furniture back, and they might, if they don't come back today, it'll probably be tomorrow to put the furniture back because Mr. Mike has somewhere to go around 6. So show you guys what we're going to be doing. We got these floors. And, you see right here, guys. When you start seeing those micro scratches and things like that, and you just kind of start seeing the sheen go down, that's an indication for a screen or recoat. Hold on, let me make sure my lens is clean. All right, that's better. So you see a lot of micro surface scratches, some parts where you got missing, the polyurethane is missing. Also the stairs, going to get a good abrasion on the stairs. Use my palm sander here and then through the kitchen, like the worst area. Now again, I did tell Mike when I did the initial walkthrough that is water damage, but he had a mat over there anyway. You can see I'm getting a really good abrasion on these floors. And then I gotta come over here and I'll do this. We might just do this by hand, what the machine can't get. All right, guys, so again, it's not a huge job. Tomorrow, all next week, guys, we're booked out for the next almost week and a half. And also my sanding guy, Aaron, he just got back in from out of town, and he's gonna be starting a sanding job for me tomorrow for a guest house in Buckhead. All right, guys. All right, guys, we got a great screen on the floor. Now I'm doing the stairs. He had these, sometimes people put those pads, and man, it feels, look at this, guys. It feels so rough. So I had to go down pretty much in grit, and you can already see it's clogging up my, my sandpaper. And I'm also using another one by hand, but now it's really nice and smooth. That's what I want. So I got a little knife on me, not a little knife, but like a little, I keep this in my pocket, just kind of scrape that off. Yeah. All right, that's George, one of my students. Continue to get some knowledge. Yeah, that's that glue from those pads. We got a great screen on the floor. Mr. Mike is just letting his dog out use the restroom, so that's why he got those chairs there. He's going to put her back in her cage. So anyway, guys, I got the rag coat ready. I was just doing a little dry dusting. George is, that's how I do my light setups. I took one of my lights. I'll keep a few of these lights in my van so I can see. So George taped off the carpets really well, and now George is coating the stairs, and they are looking good. Yeah, they're looking good. Nice, George.
Nice spot, buddy.
There you go. Yep. Get the underlip. There you go. Perfect. Perfect. All right, guys, everything is coming out well. Gonna go ahead and get the coating down. Might just go grab some lunch. Maybe go grab a smoothie or a sandwich. Not really that hungry. And then yeah, so floor's gonna look good. All right, guys, stay tuned. And then you go smooth it out. There you go, nice. All right, guys, me and George just got back. We just went and got us a smoothie from Smoothie King. Man, look at these floors now, guys. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh yeah, that looks amazing. That looks amazing. Now remember, I did tell you guys it's water damage. It did lighten up a little bit, but again, a mat is going there. Oh yeah, this looks beautiful. So much better. So much better. Oh yeah.
Time for inspection?
Now I'm just looking right now. Oh, okay. No problem. Oh yeah. All right, guys. I'm doing another coat on the stairs, and floors look fine, but I might go ahead and just put another small coat on the stairs. I mean, not stairs, on the wood, because it was really lacking finish. So yeah, let me do that. All right, guys, stay tuned.
Don't hit that poly. Don't hit that poly. It's right behind you.
All right, guys, look at these floors now. Came out amazing. Remember the beginning of the video when I was zooming in? You can see all those scuff marks. You can see areas where the polyurethane was missing. You don't see that anymore. Floors look immaculate. All right, guys, so what I'm about to start doing, got the UV curing going. Man, I'm telling you, people love this benefit of the UV cure. I did one yesterday, Friday. I got one tomorrow. I got one Tuesday, and I'm so glad that I can offer this very convenient service to my clients, where the floors can be UV cured, and the furniture can be put back same day or either next day. Now, Mike could have had his furniture put back today, but he has errands to run, and he just told the movers, just to be on the safe side, just come back in the morning. So that's what Christian and them going to do. All right, guys, let me get these floors UV cured. Stay tuned.
With the light shining on it, it looks phenomenal.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Mr. Mike,
Done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Right.
He is loving these floors with the stairs. Yeah, look at that. No more scratches, no more scuff marks. And you see how smooth it is now?
Yeah, really. You skate around.
Yeah, just skate around. There you go.
Bust my ass.
Yes, sir. I tell you guys, I work for some amazing people, and Mr. Mike has been a pleasure to work with. Even this kitchen looks better. Again, the water damage. Now, I did say, guys, it did go down a little bit, but it's not perfect. In a case like this, the best fix for this, guys, would be to just replace the boards. But overall, floors look amazing. And the key thing is just getting that great superior protection on the floor. So what I'm going to do, and what's the dog's name? What's your dog's name?
Tilly.
Tilly. Tilly has also been, hey, Tilly. She's been awesome the whole time. Came out and got her lunch when they used the restroom.
Fixing to go out, have some dinner, and
Yep.
back in this place until I can get everything back squared away.
And yep, Christian then will be here tomorrow to put the furniture back. So,
And I talked to him. I called him to confirm he's going to get to about 10, I think.
perfect. Yeah, I'll be heading to Alpharetta to do a countertop around that time. And then we have a late job tomorrow afternoon in Flowery Branch for a move-in, doing their wood floors.
What are you working 7 days a week?
Sometimes, but I do know how to, take some days off so I can enjoy myself.
You gotta do that.
But like I said, this is just a custom request for you so we can get your wife some, surprising with these floors.
I appreciate that.
Thank you, Mike.
I think, here's what she's avoiding. One to avoid is all this shit.
Yep.
I'm gonna try to put it back.
There you go. All right.
I'll do what I can.
All right, guys. Well, that's going to do it. Thanks again for watching. See you next week, almost every single day. All right. Thanks again.